Welcome to the Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation Division of Safety and Hygiene's micro-training series. This session focuses on common questions about work safety in trenches. A trench is a narrow excavation. A trench is deeper than it is wide and not more than 15 feet wide at the bottom. There are many hazards while working in trenches. These can include cave-ins, lack of oxygen and toxic fumes, explosive atmospheres, buried utilities and materials or equipment falling into the trench, struck by accidents, falls, electrocutions, and drownings. Employees must be protected from cave-ins by using properly designed protective systems such as sloping and benching, shoring, or shielding. Accidents in trenches result from inadequate planning. To plan safety into the job, consider traffic and mobile equipment, nearness of structures and their conditions, debris near the trench, soil conditions, egress, falls, surface and groundwater, overhead and underground utilities and weather. These are all items that should be included in your inspection of a trench. For more information on trench inspections, watch the Trench Inspection Micro-Training video in this Ohio BWC Micro-Training series. A competent person is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards in trenches that are dangerous to employees. They also have authorization to stop work and correct or eliminate hazards. A competent person is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards that are unsanitary, hazardous, or dangerous to employees. They should have a clear understanding of OSHA trenching and excavation standards. They should have knowledge of soils and soil classification, design and use of protective systems, and an ability to recognize and test hazardous atmospheres. The competent person must also have the authority to direct employees on specific procedures, immediately remove people from a trench, and be able to take quick corrective measures to eliminate hazards. A competent person is designated by the employer. While there is no specific training to become a competent person, they must be knowledgeable, trained, and experienced as detailed in the requirements of OSHA Construction Standard 1926.650. The competent person is responsible for access and egress, water accumulation, inspections, soil classification, and cave-in prevention. Prior to anyone entering a trench, an inspection should be done by a competent person. The competent person must also be present when protective systems are installed, soil conditions could change, or new hazards may arise that require their judgment. This overview of trench safety is not meant to be all-inclusive. It is only a supplement for your company's specific training. If you have specific questions, visit our website at bwc.ohio.gov. Click Search, type Safety Consultants, and press Enter. Thank you for making safety a top priority.